And welcome everybody to our meteorology segment. We're pretty spaced out on the channel, and we're also pretty meteorologied out on the channel. Let's take a look at the surface winds of the eastern world to start things out, looking at two cyclonic systems here on either side of the Philippines. They're surrounded on the east and west by some strong systems. This one's a bit stronger. You can see pretty high winds there. We're not going to look too in depth into this at the moment. Surface winds of the eastern world, and if you're on this part of the map, let us know by leaving us a comment. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world, the 250 hectopascal winds. And you can see some jet stream scale inputs there where that stronger cyclone is located. Also some extreme bends here around Australia and some extreme bends in the northern Middle Eastern regions as well. Some hot air going into the Arctic and some cold air going into northern Asia. Here are the jet streams of the western world. Massive anticyclone here over the U.S. You can see this huge clockwise rotation. Also an anticyclone here over the North Atlantic. By the way, the Jupiter's Great Red Spot is an anticyclone and not a storm. Just figured I'd throw that in there. Also, check out these extreme meridional bends here, 180-degree turns in the jet stream in the northern hemisphere over the Pacific Ocean. Some turbulent weather indeed. Power outages looking better here in Louisiana, now below 250,000 out of power. Shout out to our resilient viewers in Louisiana. We salute you, and we hope things are back to normal soon down there. Here is the weather.gov map, and if your county is lit up, please click on it. We've got all kinds of red flag warnings, excessive heat warnings, and air quality alerts in the west. Also the possibility of some flooding coming to Texas. We'll get to it in a minute. First, the NASA GOES lightning mapper, and we saw some massive lightning in Pennsylvania, although that has now subsided. Here's your lightningmaps.org map to look at real-time lightning map. There you go. There's your real-time lightning map. It's connecting. Just give it a minute. We are streaming live. And if it is unable to connect, there we go. There's a real-time lightning map, I think. Anyway, we've got no terrestrial lightning over the U.S. We're expecting clear skies for most of the day today. There we go. It's livened up now. Powered by blitzachtung.org. And let's take a look at this tropical system here. It's going to miss Bermuda to the east. We'll advance this pressure map here. There's where we expect pressure to be according to the European forecast by 12 noon tomorrow. That system's going to be moving pretty quickly to the north. And having a bit of a, looks like it's going to be having a bit of a date with Nova Scotia. Brushing past Nova Scotia to the east, heading to Newfoundland. Shout out to Ricky, Julian, and Bubbles. If you're viewing the video, please leave us a comment. So here's this forecast for rain. We're seeing a possibility of like pushing 2 feet of rain here in this localized region at Texas. That is the forecast through... That's Tuesday at 6 Zulu time, which would be 2 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Daylight Time on Tuesday the 14th. So hopefully that forecast will change over the weekend, but at the current state, expecting some extreme rain there in that localized portion of Texas on the Gulf Coast. By the way, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch, twitch.tv/smashamash. Thanks to our followers over there. Again, twitch.tv/smashamash was the original location of this. And yeah, install their mobile app if you want to see when we go live. And we've been doing extended streams of the sun, capturing all kinds of interesting solar activity, like coronal mass ejections. More gaming videos and more exclusive content coming soon to Twitch. We're also on BitChute. If you're viewing the videos on BitChute, make sure you subscribe over on YouTube and Twitch and so on. Those are our 3 locations for our videos. YouTube has got about 90% of our content there. And if you're only viewing on BitChute or on Twitch, you're missing most of our videos. So please go check it out on YouTube. Thanks to our subscribers over on YouTube. Press like, press share, press subscribe. Tell your friends, foes, science noobs, and science pros about the channel. We're blowing up and we're going straight to space physically. Thanks to the Smash team for helping to make these videos possible. Smashamash.com/Smash team if you'd like some information nobody else gets to see. Here's a tidbit. We'll be showing tidbits all through the month of Smashtember. So we just recently launched our site here on Smashtember 1st. Check it out. Smashamash.com/Smash team. Again, you'll see information nobody else gets to see. Also, thanks to our patrons who've been up until Smashtember, the true source of funding for the content. You can find links to all of that at smashandmash.com. Welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Visit our sites. Check out the Smasho merch link and save 20% by entering the promo code SHOPTEMBER through the day today. If you want to pick up any products like the hat I'm currently wearing, which says Mensa, make Earth not suck again, it's up to you, not giant heaving bureaucracies and corrupt officials who can't get out of their own way and are on the payroll of pharmaceutical companies. Mensa, make Earth not suck again. Also, Universum Liberate is another message that I live by. Universum Liberate. Tell your friends and foes about it and enter the promo code SHOPTEMBER to save 20% store-wide through the day today. The sale ends at midnight. Let's look at water vapor. Here's the simple water vapor map on our NexRad. Great detail there of that large system. Hurricane Larry, I think it's called. I try not to memorize the names of these things as they're largely arbitrary. Here's the U.S. Doppler radar map. And this rain up the East Coast is going to be making a little bit of a turn to the east as there is a jet stream input coming down like this. We'll show you on the water vapor map. First, the cloud layer. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's the 3.9 nanometer radiation map. And here's the water vapor map. And you can see this jet stream input here, some cold air, pushing this dry mass of air toward the east. It's going to make this moisture make a bit of a turn here. As you can see, there's sort of a path of least resistance there. As dry air is more massive than moist air, that's your atmospheric physics lesson for the day. And thanks for tuning into our meteorology segment. Here is the recap. There's the U.S. Doppler radar. Here's the cloud layer. Here's the water vapor map. And check out that massive anticyclone here, centered on the Central Rockies. Massive anticyclone, making for some clear skies and some probably hot temperatures. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for tuning into the Smash News Network, least busted name of news. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash and Mash, signing off.